Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to process payroll corrections in ADP. So let's start with the first step, which is to log into ADP, tap on the payroll, and then go to payroll cycle and find the processed payroll containing the error. So always note that the original check number and the date before starting, so you will need them for the void. Next step is click the check and then choose void or reverse paycheck. And then just pick the person and confirm to back out the original entry. So just a tip, use reverse, not void, if the direct deposit already cleared, which the reverse pulls the funds back automatically. Next step is start an off-cycle payroll and then select the employee and enter the correct hours, the overtime, or earnings adjustments. So just match the original pay period dates to taxes calculate against the correct quarter. Next step is review the recalculated gross, tax breakdown, and net pay. So you just have to make sure that the direct deposit info is unchanged. And lastly is submit and save the confirmation. So just click on approve, then save green confirmation showing the reference number and the funding date. So just a pro tip, download the corrected pay or stub PDF and email it to the employees so they have the audit trail too. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.